Good evening, guys. My name is Rohan Raju Dumar. I am from Phoenix in Pune. And my course is PhD. And today's my share new experience and today's new learn point. What is four pillars. Firstly, today's also morning clock was time, and today's late because one horse is today late, and today's firstly my knowledge point. Firstly, today's just a study now to my knowledge point because today's the only magazine study point is a VB.net is download how to how can download to VB.net and PyCharm because maximum points is the new learner things and new idea implementation points, and I have any things, any ideas, any implementation points, but today the maximum software download, and today is my communication. So my communication is very weak because my study levels is very low, so maximum my teeth and my communication style is changed because my maximum words is very wrong because I have no doubt because the maximum time is trainers say that your communication is very weak. So I will understand this point and I will try to my communication is perfection because maximum time is not study in our book and our pages. So this is my weak point, but I will try to my 100% perfect to my continuously new learn things idea, new learn things points, and I have tried and I have tried to my new learn things idea improvements are points, and today is my learner to new learn point because firstly my morning clocks is maximum time is spent on my improvement, and secondly marketing. So marketing is most important, but in product marketing only digital marketing, not a practical marketing. So maximum effect to class income and admission, but I have tried to my 100% perfection to encourage final and nation to 100% final to encourage, and solution is very helpful to change trainer guidance. So this is most important point, and I have tried to my 100% perfection to good new idea improvements are points, and I will try to my 100% perfection to good strategy and good improvements are point, and maximum new learn things idea, and I have done to new things, new idea improvements are points, and maximum try to my communication is perfection, but I will try to my 100% perfection to good strategy, good improvements point, and today's management. So today's my communication is not a proper to Nagesh sir, so this is very weak point, but I will try to my 100% perfection, but not anything any idea information points, but I will try to my 100% perfection to good strategy, good new learn things idea, good new learn things planning strategy because first 10 days is very flop because one head is not completed target. So this is very weak point, but I will try to my 100% perfection to good improvements and good new learn things idea points, and I will try to my 100% perfection to good strategy, good new learn things idea, good new learn things improvements are points. So this is mostly important points are pending there, but I will try to my 100% perfection to good strategy, good improvements are points, and I will try to my 100% proper work to my personally, so automatic work to other trainers. So this is most important point, and I will try to my 100% perfection to good strategy or good improvements are points, and I will try to my new learn things points there, how can improve to your strategy, and how can improve to work. So these main points are pending there, but I will try to my 100% perfection to good new learn things idea, good improvements are points, and I will try to work properly. So thank you so much.